What are the symptoms of a bad transmission range sensor? Have you ever wondered what happens when a transmission range sensor goes bad in your truck or 18-wheeler? This small but important component plays a big role in how your vehicle operates. When it starts to fail, you might notice several symptoms that can affect your driving experience. Let's break down what you should look out for. One of the first signs of a bad transmission range sensor is the check engine light. If this light is illuminated or blinking, it often means that the vehicle's computer has detected an issue with the sensor. Ignoring this warning can lead to bigger problems down the road. Another common symptom is rough or delayed shifting. You may feel your truck shift harshly or hesitate before changing gears. This happens when the sensor does not send the correct gear position data to the transmission control module. It can make driving uncomfortable and even unsafe. Have you ever tried to move your truck out of park only to find it won't budge? A faulty transmission range sensor can cause this issue. It may be difficult to move the gear selector, which is a safety feature to prevent starting in the wrong gear. You might also notice erratic dash indicators. If the gear position display on your dashboard does not match the actual position of the gear selector, that's a red flag. For instance, the dash might show park when you are actually in drive. Another safety concern is if your reverse lights do not work. If the sensor fails, the reverse lights may not come on when you shift into reverse. This can create dangerous situations, especially for larger vehicles. Sometimes, a bad sensor can cause the vehicle to start in the wrong gear. Normally, a truck should only start in park or neutral. If it starts in drive or reverse, it can lead to accidents or damage. Lastly, if your truck is stuck in limp mode, it could be due to a faulty transmission range sensor. In this mode, the transmission may only operate in one gear, usually second. This limits your speed and power, making it hard to drive effectively. For truck drivers and fleet managers, recognizing these symptoms early can save time and money. Regular inspection and cleaning of the sensor can help prevent issues caused by dirt or oil contamination. If you notice any of these symptoms, checking fuses and wiring before replacing the sensor is a smart first step. Being aware of these signs can help ensure timely maintenance and safe operation on the road. Keeping your transmission range sensor in good working condition is essential for the overall health of your truck's drivetrain.